Good morning, boys. The hymn this morning would be 148, please. And that's Jerusalem, the one that begins, "And did those feet in ancient times walk upon England's mountains green?" It's a beautiful hymn. We're going to go from the silly to the serious, or semi-serious, I suppose. Paper airplanes. Remember, the competition is on, and you have until this Sunday at 6 o'clock to make a splendid glider which will stay in the air for a while. If you think you've got something good, send me your video, and let's see how good it really is. All right? We have a birthday in the middle school today. It belongs to a fourth grader, Brady Tauby. Happy birthday, Brady. And now to a riddle. See if you can figure out why all these words belong together. Ready? Tranquil, assassination, eyeball, moonbeam, champion, gnarled, zany, cold-blooded, radiance, elbow. And if you're thinking to yourself, what on earth would those words have to do with each other? Why is Mr. D reading those words? The answer is, Brady shares the birthday with someone extraordinary. Yes, it's William Shakespeare's birthday today, born in 1564. And to go back to those words I read you, those are but a sprinkling of the hundreds of words that didn't exist until Shakespeare used them. So here we are 400 plus years ago, four and a half centuries ago at this point. And here's a guy writing, there are no dictionaries, and yet he's putting down thousands upon thousands upon thousands of words, and he's using them like a swordsman wields his blade. Right? Extraordinary stuff. And to go back to that list, some of you, if you were listening carefully, might be saying to yourself, oh, come on, wait, sir, are you trying to tell me that the word elbow didn't exist until Shakespeare used it? I mean, people didn't have elbows? Well, they had elbows, all right, and the word elbow existed, but it was Shakespeare who said, why can't I use elbow as a verb? As in, I'm going to elbow in on something or make my path. Now that is language, boys. One of the many things that this crazy spring has done is it's pushed back the announcement of this coming Shakespeare play. It would be by now that the 7th grade, soon to be the 8th grade, would know what it is they're going to perform. They don't yet. What will it be? This is one of the many reasons we have to get back to school. All right, happy paper airplane making, happy reading of Shakespeare. To work.